momentum reading for the Dow. Not much, but I'm seeing a down 150 on the NASDAQ composite. Not sure why that's happening. Bring in David Strzelecki on the markets this morning. Has inflation, I believe you think that inflation has peaked and the Fed will be less aggressive going forward. So maybe we'll see a Santa Claus rally. Is that your position?
Yeah, that's right, Stuart. Good morning. The market is anticipating the Fed pause. Okay, so, or I'm sorry, there's a pause and then a pivot. So we've got a pivot that's looking at 50 basis points here in December. And so, obviously we've seen, some of the best days in the market this year as a result of that anticipation. One thing to be aware of, though, is yes, we think that this could cause a rally. Of course, that December 14th Fed meeting is what we're all watching right now. But as we look forward, we need to understand that when the Fed pauses, that there's ultimately a rally that occurs, but then there's a sell-off. And this is at least historically what has occurred. And so we don't think that we're out of the woods or that this thing can last forever. In fact, we agree with Liz Peek's last assessment there that 2023 is going to be a difficult year. And we're going to be going into that midterm or the next presidential election that way.
Tell me about the housing market. You've been big on that recently. We had this home builder sentiment number come out at the top of the 10 o'clock hour. It was a very bad number, very negative. Is the housing market in thoroughgoing recession at this point?
Well, this has been a challenge with supply again. And so these builders have been acquiring these properties at the highest prices with the highest and most expensive workers. They've been having all the time to get these projects together. And now the consumer can no longer purchase. And so they're in big trouble in this regard. And we need them to do well because we need more homes to be built so that we can have more supply. So, yeah, this is a challenge. Consumers not happy. Unemployment's going up. And I think the consumers suffer in a big way right now.
Okay, problems in the housing market, problems in stocks too. All right, David Strzelecki, thanks for joining us. See you again soon. Thank you. All right,